Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is unlocked, updated, and the Google Wallet app is installed. Open the app and tap Add a card. Choose credit or debit. When prompted, use your camera to scan the card or opt to enter details manually. Make sure the name, card number, expiration, and CVC match the card exactly. Once scanned, verify the billing address and phone number to avoid verification delays, because mismatches often trigger extra checks. Once the card data is in, you'll need to accept terms and allow permissions for secure transactions. Choose a verification method, SMS code, email link, or your banking app, and complete that step. The app will guide you. If prompted, set the card as your default for contactless payments or give it a nickname so you can distinguish similar cards. Make sure to enable NFC in settings for tap to pay. After verification, Google Wallet stores a virtual token instead of your real number for security. Finish by confirming the card status shows active in Wallet, then test with a low-value tap payment to a merchant terminal. If verification fails, make sure the card number, CVC, and billing address exactly match your bank records, and try a different verification option. Sometimes SMS versus email matters. If the bank declines or flags the card, contact your card issuer to authorize mobile wallet use. Remember, banks sometimes need 1 minute to.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.